Hello and welcome back to another episode of Real English with Real Teachers. Today we've got a collaboration with the lovely Lisa from Speak You English Do. Hello Lisa, how are you?
Hello. Hi, everybody.
So Lisa, where are you from?
I'm from Moscow, Russia.
And what do you do?
Well, yeah, I teach English. I've been teaching English for ages, and I love it.
Nice, yeah. So Lisa has been mastering the English accent, the British English accent, better than me, perhaps. And we met when Harry and I went to Moscow, and we did a group class, and it was a lot of fun, and we had a good meetup after that. And then Lisa told me about a website that she thinks would be really good to tell other learners about, so that you can connect with more people and install passion into your language learning. So we're going to dive into that and hear about someone who's actually used this website and any tips that Lisa has. So firstly, what is this website? What is it, Lisa?
Oh, it's Couchsurfing.
Couchsurfing.
It's a place for people to have a great time, not only to find a place to stay at, to spend a night or a couple of nights when they go traveling, but also to connect with other people from all over the world, to learn about new cultures firsthand, and just to live their lives to the fullest.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. I noticed that you went on a trip to the UK recently. When I was spying on your Instagram, I saw that you went to the UK. But was it expensive? Did it cost a bomb when you went?
Well, it did cost quite some money, I'd say, but the whole trip was the bomb. I loved it. I spent the whole
Oh.
month in the UK. Yes. Well, I stayed with a host family, well, two host families, but yeah, well, it was not cheap, but well, couch surfing, as if we talk about this website now, for me, it's not an opportunity to find a place to stay overnight, because I find it quite tricky, just do not feel comfortable staying in
See,
strangers.
this is what I thought about it. When I heard you say about couch surfing, I've known about it, and maybe you guys have heard about couch surfing before, the concept of staying on somebody's couch, sofa, for free. But I feel like I want a bit of privacy, and I want my own room if I'm able to find it. And you felt like this yourself, but you still use it. So how do you use it?
Yeah, you know what? It's. I'm so glad you mentioned that. You're more than welcome to just make new friends, find people to hang out with, just go grab a beer and talk about life in the language you are learning, for example.
That really does sound impressive. Yeah. I should use this because as I've just landed in Australia, I need to meet new people. I've spent about 5 months 24/7 with my girlfriend, and it's a really good test whether you like the person or not to do that amount of intensity. But
Wow.
yeah, on top of that, I think I should use it to try and meet people to interview. Have you used it yourself for interviewing people for your
Absolutely,
content?
yes. Yes, sure. That's why I love couchsurfing that so much. Although I started using it when I didn't have my account and I really, really liked it. But now that I have my project for English learners, I'm using couchsurfing kind of regularly.
So if people want to give couch surfing a go, not just for free accommodation, it's for finding people of similar interests or like-minded people that you want to connect with. And have you kept in contact with any of these people?
Oh, yes, absolutely. In fact, I have a very good friend now. We've been friends for over 2 years, and she's from the US. And we met through Couchsurfing when I created an event saying, hey, I want to record a video. Let's meet up. This is
Amazing.
how it goes. Yeah, you can never expect to make like long-lasting friendships or just just be open, I think, and everything's possible. I think that with age, we tend to be a bit more, not even reserved, but not so open to making new acquaintances. And Couchsurfing
Totally.
is a great opportunity to just find, again, like-minded people. I absolutely love my Texan Katusha, as I call her. Now she speaks Russian really, really well. Sometimes we speak Russian with her, but
Is that
back.
because she's been following your Instagram?
Yeah, my account is helping her to practice her Russian because I do a lot of translations from English into Russian. And yeah, so good guess.
So we're going to continue the conversation on Lisa's Instagram, and we're going to be talking about a website that I've used a lot to save money and to meet more people and speak with people in the area. I've used it a lot when moving to Australia. So if you want to find out about that one, head over to Speak You English Do on Instagram. And yeah, you'll be able to hear more about this one website. But thank you very much,
yes,
Lisa.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for having me. I've been subscribed to your YouTube channel for over 2 years, I guess. And anyway.
Okay, we'll leave it there. We'll see you guys soon. Hope you enjoyed it. And Couchsurfing will be in the description box below, as will Lisa's Instagram. See you on her account. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram to get more day-to-day posts and stories helping you learn English in more dynamic and interactive ways.